skill building activity on your modules, how to read a stock table. Any financial paper has a stock codes that will look something like the image below. Okay, so this is the image. And paano ba magbasa ng stock table? Okay, so this is the NYSE Stock Exchange for March 18, 2016. That's Friday. Now, paano ba magbasa or how to read a stock table? Okay, so this is the table. Column number 1, this is the column number 1. Okay, yung buong yan patayo. Column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so for column number 1, company name and the type of stock. If there are no special symbol or letters following the name, it is a common stock. And then for the column 2, okay, this is the column 2. This is the ticker symbol, the unique alphabetic name which identifies the stock. So for example, dun sa 3D systems, okay, so the symbol for that is tatlong D, TDD. Tapos dun sa 3M, okay, so MMM, alphabetic siya. And then for the column number 3, that's for the open. The amount of the stock price was at the opening of the market. Okay, that's the amount of stock price at the open of the market. And then for the column number 4 and 5, okay, so that's the day high and low. For the column 4, that's for the high, and then column 5, low. And see high, for the high, that is the maximum. And then doon sa low, minimum. So the maximum and the minimum prices that people paid for the stock. Maximum price dun kay high, and then minimum price doon sa low. And then column number 6, close. The close is the last trading price recorded when the market closed on the day. So kung merong open, meron ding close. And then for column 7 and then column 8, column 7 is the net change and column 8 is the percent change. See, net change and percent change, this is the dollar value change and the stock price from the previous day's closing price. Tapos si column number 9, that is the trading volume or volume, ano dyan, nakasulat. And that is the total number of shares traded for the day. Then column 10 and then column 11, that's the 52-week high and low. So for the 52-week high, so 52-week high and then 52-week low. That is the highest and lowest prices at which a stock has traded over the previous 52 weeks. And that's for 1 year. And then column number 12, That is the dividend per share. Okay, dividend per share, ayan si DIV. The annual dividend payment per share. If this space is blank, the company does not currently pay out dividends. And then column number 13, that is the dividend yield, the percentage return on the dividend, calculated as annual dividends per share divided by the price per share. Column 14, that's the price or earnings ratio, calculated by dividing the current stock price by earnings per share from the last 4 quarters. So for more detail on how to interpret this, see our P/E ratio tutorial. And for the last column, column number 15, YTD, percent change, or ang ibig sabihin ni YTD is year-to-date percent change. This describes the return so far for this year, the period beginning 1st of current year up to until today's date. So that's how to read a stock table. Okay, erase na natin. Let's proceed on the exercise number 1. It's your turn to analyze. I-guide ko kayo kung paano siya sagutan. Exercise number 1, analyze the Philippine Stock Exchange in local currency and answer the questions below. So this table is the Philippine Stock Exchange as of May 31, 2019, 4:42 p.m. So you can see for the column 1, we have the number, then security name, symbol, last price, change, percent change, volume, and the value. So let's try to answer the questions. Okay, so for question number 1, what is the trading volume number of Ayala Land? So let's look for Ayala Land. Okay, so nandun siya sa number 1. And Ayala Land, we are looking for the trading volume. So nasa symbol, last price change, percent change, ayun, we have the volume. So we have 27,118,400. Number 2, what is the last trading price of the day of PLDT Incorporated? So let's look for PLDT Incorporated. Ayun, nandun siya sa number 7. And PLDT Incorporated, last trading price. Last price. Okay, that's tama yan. So we have 1,350. And then number 3, what is the net change of Mega World Corporation? Nasa si Mega World, yun, number 11. Mega World Corporation. And we are looking for the net change. Net change, yun. Change, then Mega World. So we have 0.02. Negative 0.02. Number 4, what is the total number of shares traded by the SM Prime Holdings Incorporated? SM Primes, SM Investment, SM Primes, number 8. SM Prime Holdings Incorporated, and the total number of shared. Okay, that is 7,313,100. And then, number 5. So for number 5, what is the percent change of the Jollibee Foods Corporation? Jollibee Foods Corporation. So Jollibee, bida ang saya. Number 6, Jollibee Foods Corporation. Tapos, sinahanap natin is the percent change. Hindi sa change, percent change. So, dito tayo. Okay, tapos Jollibee. So, we have 2.13%. Now, it's your turn to answer the exercise number 2. Answer the following questions based on the data for May 31, 2019.